Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 3, page number 29, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start topic present continuous tense fail hal jari. This tense is used point number 1 for an action taking place at the time of speaking as example A, I am walking down the street. Next example B, the teacher is teaching English grammar rules. Next point number 2, for a temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking as example A, I am reading Henry Fielding. Next point number 3, for an action that has already been arranged to take place in the near future as example A, I am going to make a science project. Next example B, my uncle is arriving tomorrow. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.